When property passes through generations, it often creates a complex web of ownership. Multiple heirs, each holding an undivided interest in the same land. Everyone owns a percentage of everything, but no one can use or sell their share independently. We're going to walk you through how to untangle this, a process called partition. This type of ownership is called undivided interest, or tenancy in common. Each heir owns a percentage, but that percentage applies to all 4 tracts simultaneously. You can't point to 1 acre and say, "That's mine." This arrangement made sense when the property stayed in family use. But now, some heirs want to sell, others want to keep the land, and both sides need clarity. That's where partition comes in. 4 tracts of land, with ownership divided among numerous heirs across multiple families. Dividing this can be complex. The easiest, least expensive way is to work together for a fair division. We recommend each family branch nominate a negotiator, then hire a neutral mediator to help achieve equal division. Once you have decided on your negotiator, you will want to start considering how to divide the tracts. Consider the impact. A 1-acre tract can't be divided into 11 pieces. The lots would be too small to use. If the land cannot be divided, the other options would be to combine it with another tract or sell it. Everything depends on value. Look at features. Ponds and lakes bring higher value. What about ag exemptions? Dividing might trigger rollback taxes. Is it in a floodplain? That lowers value. Also consider access. It's illegal to create landlocked properties without road frontage. Here's a fact you can't get around. In Texas, any co-owner has an absolute legal right to file for partition. What does that mean exactly? It means that if one or more owners wish to sell their ownership rights, they have that right to do so. If those who do not want to sell do not wish to sell, they can buy out the ownership rights of the other parties at market value, or slightly below, or agree to a partition of the property. If no agreements can be made, the next step is to get a judge to make the decisions by determining whether a partition by sale or court-ordered partition can be done. The judge would assign a commissioner to act on behalf of all owners. This definitely makes things easier, however. It is a more costly process which is shared by all owners. The court process involves filing a petition, court review of ownership, and considering partition in kind or by sale. Next, ordering of appraisals and surveys, and then a court order would be issued based on the assigned commissioner's recommendation to partition in kind or partition by sale. Be aware, costs for attorneys, appraisals, and surveyors come out of the property value or are paid upfront. If no buyer exists, the court orders an auction. Costs are reimbursed when the sale closes. This is for information only. For specific questions, consult your attorney.